Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. Services in the field of landscape surveying are the primary focus of SCON Design India Private Limited, a corporation. A landscape survey is an important tool for assessing the existing condition of a parcel of land and considering the ways in which it may be put to use in the foreseeable future. The procedure includes the gathering of data by fieldwork, which may include the investigation of terrain, soil, vegetation, and water resources, among other things. The team of professionals at SCON Design India Private Limited is well versed in the process of performing landscape surveys for both residential and commercial buildings. They make use of the most recent technology and methods in order to give customers with reports that are accurate and thorough. These studies include suggestions for land use, in-depth site analysis, and environmental impact assessments. SCON Design India Private Limited is able to assist customers in making educated choices about how to maximize the use of their property and ensure that they are in compliance with all applicable requirements thanks to the extensive knowledge and expertise that they possess. SCON Design India Private Limited's landscape survey services can provide the information you need to make strategic decisions, regardless of whether you are planning a new development or simply want to evaluate the potential of your existing property. If you are interested in learning more, please contact us today. Thanks for watching.